Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and turn male into female in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From there at the bottom of the screen, we can get started selecting our photos we want to upload. So you can either upload from your camera roll or directly from your photo gallery. So go ahead and select the image that you want to go ahead and turn into a female, and we're going to tap on it right here from this menu that appears, and it's going to open it up in this editor mode, where at the bottom of the screen we can get started finding all the edits and filters we can use. So we are going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the right until we find the gender option. So we are going to scroll through all those filters and find this gender option right here we can tap on. So now guys, if you're a male, you're going to be able to turn yourself into a female by selecting the female gender option right here. It's going to show you how you would look like a female. You have two options you can select from and see which one you prefer more. If you like how it turns out and you want to save it to your device gallery, you can just click the save option in the upper right corner and save it and share it with your friends and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.